Ayungin Shoal. Ang Ayungin Shoal is a very complicated issue. First and foremost, we don't have sovereignty over that area. We only have sovereign rights. That's because of our exclusive economic
What's the difference?
Anong
What's the
pagkakaiba?
difference between sovereignty
Ang
and
sinabi-
sovereign rights? What did you say? What is the difference again between what you made a distinction? What was it again?
Sovereign authority
Okay.
versus sovereign rights. Okay.
Okay. Pag sinabi mo kasing sovereignty, pag-aari mo yan. Pag-aari mo, part ng territory mo. Ibig sabihin, may total control ka. Kaya sa'yo yan eh. Kung ano mang gawin mo dyan, sa'yo yan. Walang ko-kontra because when you talk about sovereignty, it is also recognized by the international community, meaning all member states of the UN recognize that you have sovereignty over the area.
And
But
it's not
look at what happened right now. Do we have? Are we recognized by the international community like the whole 198 members or how many members of the UN na may sovereignty tayo sa Ayungin Shoal?
No.
Of
Wala.
course not.
No,
Isa
it's
pa,
not true.
For
So,
God's sake.
why would this person think that we had sovereign rights?
Siya ang biktima ng misinformation and disinformation na kinakalat ng mga pro-American agents sa Pilipinas, mga Pinoy, at siya din ang biktima ng Western media propaganda against China. At hindi malinaw na pagpapaliwanag sa issue ng South China Sea dispute.
Ma'am Ana, para
Pangalawa.
mapakinggan po ng ating
Yeah.
ordinaryong mamamayan.
Yes.
Palawan, Cagayan Valley, Batanes, sovereignty, tama. Mayroon tayong authority.
Atin yun.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayungin Shoal, not sovereignty, sovereign rights.
No.
Meaning,
Sovereign right.
other
Meaning-
countries claim that also
It's just claims.
claims
Yes.
at hindi natin siya
Yes.
direct na teritoryo. Tama ba?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, tama
It's
ka
not
dun
just
ka, Eric.
it's not just the Philippines that has these claims. There are other
No.
people claiming. There are other countries claiming.
Country claiming.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Klaro.
a claim.
Klaro.
Kaya nga disputed because there are different and overlapping claims.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, pangalawa, para
Okay.
mag-guide
Ngayon,
namin ng...
mayroon
Okay,
akong
go ahead,
ano.
go ahead.
Meron akong ano kay Eric kanina nung sinabi niya, Batanes,
Palawan.
Palawan. Tanong ko sa inyo, mga Pilipino, may EDCA bases dyan. May US military bases dyan. Sino ngayon ang China ba, ang United States?
Exactly that point.
Atin yan eh. Within our territory, we should have control over those area. Pero tanong, pag sinabi mong US military bases, we don't have control over the area. Kahit na presidente natin, hindi pwedeng pumasok sa US military base eh. Because that is being considered as a territory of the United States.
Extraterritorial authority daw nila yan, ma'am. Tama ka.
They say that's not true, Professor Ana. They say that's not true, Kasi there's a difference.
Oh,
It's not bases. It's EDCA. This is so therefore it's still the Philippines that has sovereignty over it. It's not true.
Ang katawa-tawa, Ma'am Ana, ang katawa-tawa, Professor Ana, kampo natin. Pero sa loob ng kampo, nagbabase militar ang Amerika. Yun ang hindi kagaya noon na talagang kinilim nila buo. Para itago ang pagbabase militar, kailangan ang mukha niya, kampo pa rin ng Pilipino. Pero sa loob, nagkakampo din at nagpoposisyon ng armas pangdigma ang Amerika sa loob ng mga Philippine military camps. How laughable is that?
Ano yan eh, para yung facade eh. Alanganan naman syempre sabihin ng mga Amerikano na hindi, amin yan. Because that already an implication na talagang violate nyo ang Constitution ng Pilipinas. Kasi ano bang sabi ng Constitution? Hindi pwede at hindi pinapayagan magkaroon ng foreign military bases sa Pilipinas. Ano pa yung sinasabi ng Constitution? Hindi pwede ang tinatawag mong foreign troops sa Pilipinas. Pero paano nila dinaya ang BFA? Rotating. Sa rotating, hindi nga alam kung hanggang kailan magro-rotate at walang specific dates.
Professor Ana, backtrack. What does that rotating mean? Because we're laymen here listening. Could you explain that a little bit more clearly? Yes.
Parang okay, ito yung set of military troops from the United States pupunta sa Pilipinas or mga Australian troops, tapos for a certain while daw ibabalik and then another set. So parang rotating lang siya. Pero ang tanong kasi, nasaan ba ang rotating military troops mo ng mga foreigners na tulad ng US and Australia and others? Nasa lang pa rin Pilipinas yan eh.
Klaro.
Hindi lang siya permanent.
Hindi siya permanent.
Pero at the end of the day, nandun siya. Pero ang problema, wala ka namang specific timeline for that eh.
Ma'am,
hindi malinaw ang timeline dyan eh.
Hindi
So, ang
permanent,
tanong,
pero labas-pasok.
Oo.
Anytime.
Oo.
Yun.
So, sa ang permanent kasi, kumbaga,
EDCA din yan, hindi daw permanent.
Oo,
Pero
kumbaga,
andyan.
ang ibig sabihin ng permanent, isang grupo na nandyan. So, sinabi nila,
Oo,
hindi
forever.
naman permanent,
Oo,
pero
labas-pasok
nag-iikot lang sila, nagro-rotate sila.
Oo, tas
Ngayon,
pasok,
oo.
labas-pasok. Oo.
Yun, ma'am,
ginagawa.
pangalawang tanong.
I
Ang
see.
tanong kasi, ang bottom line sa tanong dyan, ka Eric at Sis, asan ba ang mga yan? Nasa kanila ba o nasa loob ng Pilipinas?
Sa loob ng
Di ba
Pilipinas.
nasa loob ng Pilipinas? Oh, precisely. So, ang tanong ko naman, pagdating sa EDCA, sino ba ang may sovereignty ng dapat pagdating sa mga areas na yan? Di ba tayo? Tayo
Dapat.
may control. May control ba tayo? Tatanungin ko kayo directly. Totoo ba ang may control ang mga Pilipino sa mga EDCA bases?
Hindi nga transparent yan, ma'am.
Yeah,
Walang
hindi nga
transparency dyan.
transparent. Walang ang report dyan
Hindi mo masasabi
Walang
na
ang
pwedeng inspect.
information dyan, no?
We cannot inspect all their armaments, all their equipment na nakalagak sa
No.
loob ng Philippine military camps. Hindi nila pinapayagan.
Hindi, kasi kahit saang bansa ka na may military bases, permanent or non-permanent man yan, pag United States, they would treat it as their own territory. Kahit saang bansa ka pa, Middle East, Asia Pacific, or else, even in South Korea, in Japan, and all that. That's why people in this country doesn't want military bases ng United States.
Professor Ana.
Tatawag natin.
Yeah, Professor Ana, how many military bases does the China have outside China?
None.
Chinese land.
None.
Not even
None.
one.
None.
The US, how
Not
many
even
military?
one. Meron sila sa Djibouti, sa Africa, pero it's not a military basis. It's much more some kind of an installation just to protect. Kasi medyo delikado yung area na yun ng Africa na meron silang parang isang contingent ng kanila na nagbabantay dun sa mga tinatawag mong Chinese investment.
Baka si Franz
Kasi
Castro.
medyo magulo. Oo,
Natanong ni-
medyo
Anyway,
magulo
so,
eh.
but, yeah, let me
Yung
just
Amerika.
continue. So, but how many US bases outside the
Oh my
US,
God.
military bases does
Worldwide,
the US have?
worldwide.
How many?
Worldwide, it's more than 300
Yeah, more than
plus.
300. I agree.
Wow.
Across the world.
Across the world.
In the Asia Pacific region, there's a lot. A lot.
Lalo, thank you to Bongbong Marcos.
Ma'am
Dumami.
Ana Malindag,